everything for me, you don't even know. Your soul inside the agony, you stop for a second, breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to